In the aftermath of Hurricane Ida, Blue Umbrella was contacted by dozens of New Jersey homeowners and businesses dealing with water flooding their basements, which is exactly the issue this West Orange homeowner faced. Water had seeped into her basement through the cove joint, where the basement floor meets the wall, resulting in 6 inches of standing water. To prevent this from ever happening again, Blue Umbrella installed a full interior French drain waterproofing system. The French drain collects any entering water and channels it to a high-capacity sump pump supported by an emergency battery backup sump pump. The pumps remove the water from the basement and send it safely down a discharge line to the street. So the next time this homeowner hears a heavy thunderstorm outside, she can sleep soundly, knowing that her basement is protected. If you are dealing with basement water, crawl space problems, or foundation issues, give us a call. Don't get blue, get Blue Umbrella.